Hi everyone, I hope that you are fine. It's me Hussein Riaz from Islamabad, Islamic Capital Territory, ICT, Pakistan. Today is the lecture number 8 of Spanish language. Let us start. Exit is called salida in Spanish. The spellings of salida are Salida. Grandmother is called abula. Abuala. Abuala. Grandfather is known as abuelo in Spanish. The spellings of abuelo are Abuelo. Abuelo, right? Grandparents are called abuelos in Spanish. The spellings of abuelos are Abuelaos. Los. Abuelos. Eyes. Eyes is called ojos in Spanish. Ojos. 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 Feet is called pies in Spanish. Pies. Pies are spellings of pies. Arms. Brazos. Arms are called brazos. 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 Zos. Brazos. Brazos. Hands are called manos in Spanish. The spellings of manos are Manos. Manos. Shadow. Sombra. 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 Shoulder is called hombro in Spanish. Hombro. 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 Okay. Reflection. Reflexion. 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 Reflection. 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 These are similar words, but spellings are different. Legs is called peerness. Legs is called peerness. Piernes. Peerness. Single S, not double S in the last word. Lie. We often say that person is lying, that person is liar, that person is fake. Lie is called mentor in Spanish. Mentir. Mentor. Mentir. Mentor. Have been is called hasido in Spanish. Have been is called hasido. Ha, then space, and next word starts sido. Hasido. Have been. Have been. Hasido. Have been. Hasido. Studied. Estudio. 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 Studied. Studied. Estudio. Studying is called estudiando. 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 I repeat the words. Estudiando. 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 This is a difficult word. This is a complicated word. Estudiando. 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 Even this word is very difficult for me. Belly is called barriga in Spanish. Barriga. 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 Belly. Belly. Barriga. Belly. Barriga. Barriga. Suicide is called Suicidio. 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 Suicide is called suicidio in Spanish. Suicidio. Suicidio. Navel. Navel is a part of our body, and it is situated in between abdomen. Sorry, it is situated in the abdomen, in the lower part of the abdomen. Navel is called ombligo in Spanish. Ombligo. 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 Back is called atras in Spanish. Atras. Atras. Nose is called nariz in Spanish. Nariz. Nariz. Husband is called esposo in Spanish. Husband is called esposo in Spanish. Esposo. 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 Wife is called esposa. 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 Apartment is called apartamento in Spanish. Apartmento. 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 Apart. Partmento. Apartmento. Apartment. Apartmento. These are also similar words. Ear. This is ear. This is a part of our body. Ear. Ear is called oreja in Spanish. Oreja. 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 Ear is called oreja in Spanish. Hair. Hair is called cabello. Cabello in Spanish. Cabello. 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 Parents. Parents are called padres in Spanish. Padres. Padres. Dad is called papa. Papa in Spanish. Papa is also used for dad in English. Papa. This is very difficult for you to understand. Dad, papa. 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 Mom is called mama in Spanish. Oh, wow. Mama is also used for mom or mother in English. This is also very difficult for you to understand. Mama. The spellings of mama are M-A-M-A. Mama. Cousin is called prima if there is a female. If there is a male, he will be called primo. The spellings of prima are Prima. 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 The spellings of primo are Primo. Primo. Aunt. Aunt is called tia in Spanish. Tia. Aunt is called tia. And last word for today is uncle. Uncle is called tio in Spanish. Tio. Tio. Thank you very much for listening. I hope that you have learnt something about Spanish language, and now I am going to conclude and going to stop this video. And I hope that we will meet soon about this topic. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye, and lots of best wishes for you from me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.